Think of one thing this year that you wish you would have achieved or accomplished, but it just didn't happen. And when you think about how you didn't achieve it, what's the emotion that comes up? Is it sadness or anger, anxiety, fear, or any other emotion? Just let yourself feel into this, thinking about that thing that didn't manifest this year for you. And give a number, 0 to 10, on the emotion that comes up. There may be several emotions that come up, but choose and start with the one that is the most intense or closer to 10. Go ahead and start tapping on the side of your hand and repeat after me. Even though I didn't achieve this thing this year, and it makes me feel, and go ahead and fill that in with whatever feels true to you right now. I accept myself and this feeling. And even though just thinking about how I didn't achieve that thing this year, it really makes me feel, but I accept myself and this feeling. And even though just thinking about how I didn't achieve that thing, it really makes me feel, I accept this feeling, knowing that all I have to do is just notice it. Good. Top of the head. I didn't achieve this thing. Eyebrow. I didn't achieve it this year. Side of the eye. Just thinking about that makes me feel. Under the eye. I didn't achieve it. Under the nose. And just thinking about that, it really makes me feel. I didn't achieve it. Collarbone. I didn't achieve that this year. And I'm just noticing what it's bringing up for me. Under the arm. Not achieving that thing this year. Wrist point. I didn't achieve that thing this year, and it really makes me feel. Good. Go ahead and relax and take a deep breath.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree,